guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, musta guys? So, ngayong araw na to is pupunta po tayo sa South. So, yung event pala natin doon is grand opening. So, bali iba yung kasama ko. Yung kasama ko pala yung kaibigan ko. Yan. Yan, long time no see.
Hello.
What's up? So, siya yung kasama ko ngayong araw na to. So, kita-kits tayo. So, time check pala is 3 AM ng umaga. So, maaga kami doon kasi malayo pa yung venue namin. Sige, let's go. So, alright guys, nandito na po kami sa car guys, Sano. So, time check is 4 AM ng umaga. So, isang oras lang kami pupunta dito. Yun na.
Walang traffic.
Walang traffic. Walang chick. So, ngayon, kakain muna kami guys. Hanap muna kami ng kainan. Ayan. Kopyo. So, yan guys, breakfast muna kami kasi hindi pa kami nakapasok sa loob, no? Until 8 AM pa ng umaga tayo makapasok doon sa loob. So ayun guys, kain muna kami ng Jollibee, baka naman. Let's go. Alright guys, full seat na po tayo ngayon, no? So ito pala yung output natin sa sit up today. Ayan.
Our activity, thereby cleansing ourselves, continuing the work of creation in our endeavor, helping the needy and joining Christ the Redeemer in fulfilling His law. Let us then bless God and ask Him to shower His blessing upon all who take us.
So ayun guys, tapos na nablisingan na po yung store nila, no? Ayan. Naantok na ako guys. Kaming dalawa naantok na kasi wala kaming tulog. So kasi maaga kami pumunta dito kasi malayo kasi dito sa South. So location pala dito is car no? Isa no car. Ayan.
Run up the body, do what the man is. A lot of things you gotta understand is that beside me. I'm not just anybody, she a good girl.
Ayan guys, kain pala kami, no? Thank you sir sa pagkain ng Jollibee. Ayan. So ayan guys, napulat na po namin yung mga gamit namin. So kahingal guys. So lagyan na namin dito. Tara. Babad. So ayan guys, naload na namin yung mga gamit namin. So dito ko na lang natapusin yung video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And